Hello everybody, my name is Marcelline and today we'll talk about how to put on cosplay contact lenses. First, we will need a case, some lens solution, and of course our contact lenses. I always make sure to let them soak in the solution before trying them on for the first time. Remember that you need to have very clean hands when handling contact lenses. I prefer using tweezers when I'm putting on my lenses, as well as this little applicator thingy to avoid touching my eyes with my hands. I gently pull the skin under my eye with one hand, while I slowly and carefully place the lens on my eye. I make sure to look upwards, so I place the lens on the white part of my eye. I try not to blink too fast and let the lens settle. You know you did it right when you cry from happiness. Jokes aside, tears are to be expected. After making sure the contact lens has settled, I blink slowly so it goes into position on my iris. We repeat the same process for the other eye. The lenses I used for this video are called Yandere Pink. I love the design and they are quite comfortable to wear without hindering your eyesight too much. You can get yours from pastel-dreams.com. Hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching! Bye bye!